Hi, I'm Mike Hergic with Keystone Passport, and we are here at the Lincoln RV Show with Leach Camper Sales of Lincoln. Today we're going to be featuring the Passport 2950, 2950 BH that is. So it is a bunkhouse that fits a lot of families' needs, but some cool features on the outside in particular are going to be our new fiberglass front cap, which has a really sleek look to it. It also features automotive grade paint, so it is very well protected and easy to maintain. You'll also notice that our Passports feature the electric stabilizer jacks. Much easier for setup and teardown. Both switches are right here in your oversized pass-through storage area as well. And while we're talking about pass-through storage areas, we do have an extra large baggage door here with a 12-volt light that does have an auto sensor on it as well. You'll also notice that we have the motorized entry steps, which are super secure and safe. A lot less noise and a lot more sturdy than your normal steps are. It also has a large electric awning that does cover both doorways because the 2950 features a main entrance and then it also features a bathroom entrance. The bathroom entrance will help you keep the rest of the coach clean so that when people are going in and out, they're not always running through the interior of your 2950. Excuse me. Right in the middle of the RV, you'll notice that it does have an exterior camp kitchen. Features a refrigerator and a cooktop. And then you see we do have our bathroom entrance, which again is just for keeping the rest of the coach clean. And then also through the back here, it features your spare, but most importantly, even more exterior storage. One thing that Passport is known for is for providing the most exterior storage. Lots of times people have smaller tow vehicles when they do tow ultralight products, and then they don't have as much storage space. And so this rear baggage door allows you access to the bunk area. The bunk flips up and creates all this extra tall storage area. So coolers, kids' bicycles, you name it, it'll fit in there and is a very valuable storage area for you. Okay, so this is the bedroom of the 2950. One thing that's unique about this bedroom is that it features these two French doors. So what it does is it allows you a lot better access to the back of the, or the base of the bed. But also has some really nice and pretty doors too that will give you some extra privacy. So it's dressed up, but it's also very functional because again you can get full access to the bed instead of having a center wall there, which you see in a lot of others. It does have two nightstands, electric outlets, USBs on both sides, hanging storage on both sides, and overhead storage on both sides as well. And then it is a full 60 by 80 queen bed. So no custom mattress or no custom sheets. You can get your sheets right at Walmart, Kmart, wherever you shop. In the main living area, it features a super slide, a mega slide. Basically, it features a U-dinette with a trifold sofa. The trifold sofa is super convenient for getting some extra storage space. Extra sleeping space. And then the U booth does feature extra storage in the base and then also can turn into a sleeping arrangement for two people as well. So very, very convenient. The kitchen features a Furrion stovetop and oven. It does self-ignite with this little click. Has some cool blue lights on it, and then a glass cover on it as well to get you some more storage or some more surface area there. The sink is a really nice big deep basin sink with a single vessel, so a little easier to wash bigger pots and pans, and then does have a pull-out sprayer in it as well. So really dressed up there, and then also a thermofoil countertop. It does have an 8 cubic foot refrigerator. And then something else you'll notice too is going to be the vaulted ceiling. The vaulted ceiling is something that's really cool because it gets you a lot of extra headroom, but even most importantly, it gets you headroom in the shower as well, which can be a little bit trying for some of the taller people. So really, really convenient feature that really opens it up. In this layout too, in general, you have your trifold sofa facing this nice large TV and entertainment center, so very functional that way. You don't have to break your neck to watch TV or on a rainy day or whatever it is. And then it has two double over double bunks. We talked about the storage area outside, and you can see it from the inside as well. Just a lot of extra storage space there. And then you get these nice double bunks that do have USB outlets up there as well, and individual lights also. So really, really nice bunk area, but super convertible too for storage if you need it. And then you have your bathroom in the back. The bathroom does feature a tub, so if there's any small children in the group, that's easy for them to take a bath as well. And then a bathroom entrance also, so that way if they do need to use the restroom, they're not tracking all the dirt through your main living area. That's all I got for the Passport 2950. Hope you enjoyed the walk around.